Take two, because the wife just phoned. Right, welcome, it's Chris from ITD. We've got Leon filming. This is the first video out of, first proper video out of our office, where we're going to be demonstrating some very basic stuff, all the way through to some very advanced stuff, heating control systems, testing, some fault finding. But today what we're putting out is a very brief explanation on how a one-gang, one-way switch would work in a circuit. So this is what you'd predominantly probably see on a new build, where you've got your line and your neutral going to your switch. So this would be switch fed, and then from your switch, you've got your two core cable going up to your pendant. So at your distribution board, you've got your main switch and a breaker. Your breaker comes on, your power would come up to common on your one-way switch. You switch it on, it then goes through to L1, across, up the red, and only when your lamp's in, you then get the power going back on your neutral. And we're going to demonstrate how that flow of electricity works by turning off the lights. So when your breaker goes on, your current flows through your brown wire up to the common of the switch. So when you turn your switch on, it bridges from common to L1, which will then send your current up to the pendant. And when and only when your lamp's in, it completes the circuit, sending your voltage back on your neutral, or at least getting your potential difference across line and neutral here to send your voltage back. So that's a visual demonstration of how a circuit works, and at any point, if something was to break, the current stops. We are going to be putting out a longer video to explain how the actual switch bridges across between your terminals, your common L1 and L2. And you may have noticed this switch here. So next Saturday, we're going to be doing the same with this, dropping down the three cables to demonstrate the two-way, and then down again to demonstrate an intermediate and how all of that works. So yeah, if you found this interesting, we're going to be getting a lot more visual representation of how electricity works out on the channel. If you did find this useful, just drop a comment, let us know what you want to see. If this helps one of your guys, or if you think this will help you guys, please just share it with them to let them know. Thank you very much. And only when the lamp's in, it will be sending the voltage back on the neutral. Where the fuck's that lamp gone?